Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to set up recurring transfers for saving goals in Bluevine. Bluevine lets you automate transfers to sub-accounts, making it simple to save towards specific business goals. Here's how to set it up. First step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard on desktop or mobile. Then create a dedicated sub-account or envelope for your savings goals. For example, you can set emergency funds or new equipment as the sub-account. Now go to the transfer section and select schedule transfer. Choose your funding source. It can be your main Bluevine balance or another linked account. Once that's done, enter the amount that you want to transfer and select recurring. Pick the frequency. Options usually include weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Set the start date and review the schedule. Once that's done, confirm the transfer, and from now on, Bluevine will automatically move funds into your savings sub-account on the chosen schedule. This automation helps you consistently fund your goals without the need for manual transfers. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.